Hey, what's up guys? Good to have you back. Welcome back to our 5-week update for our meat birds. We're actually going to go a little bit more into detail about our chicken tractor. This was our chickens' first full week inside their tractor. Let's see how they did on pasture. All right, so far they've been through 2 different sections of pasture. This is the first one. I don't know if you can see, there's one little square right here. They're on their second section. But they are just loving it inside their area. They love being able to have new grass. We've been able to move them. Actually, we've had to move them, as it turned out. They put down, these guys, there's only 25 of them, but they put down a significant deal of manure. So we've actually had to move them just to keep them on semi-fresh grass, and they have been loving it. This has also been their first full week on hog mash, and actually with the hog mash there are certain downsides depending on how you look at it, and as of right now these guys are about 2.5 pounds. From everything we read online, they're supposed to be more around the almost 4 pound, 3.9 to 4.5 pounds. That's the average size that they usually are at 5 weeks of age. Right, as of right now, these guys were weighing in at about 2.5 pounds, which is a little bit underweight, but also have to remember these guys are super lively and energetic. They're playful, they're always chasing after each other, walking around, scratching around. They're not as inclined to put on weight as quickly as if they were raised in some factory where they're basically sitting around all day waiting to be fed. We're going to be okay with the slower growth. Instead of the 8-week growth rate for these guys, it may very well end up being closer to 10 or 12 weeks to get them up to the weight that we want them. But as long as they're healthy and happy, we're very happy with that. So you can't really tell right now, but because they're more eating their mash. But when we first moved these guys, they were just going to town on the new grass. They're so happy to be on pasture. They're digging and scratching around just like normal, and they're loving life right now. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for joining us again for our 5-week update of our meat birds. Hopefully you stick around to see more of our 6-week video. Just keep tracking these little guys as they get bigger and bigger. And if you like this video and you found this video enjoyable, be sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And as always, we'll see you next time. Take it easy.